Hello everyone, hello Primary 3. We will complete Primary 3 Math first term. Okay, Mr. Abenob with you. All of you focus. Our lesson today, lesson number 15 and 16, is about array. Okay, what is the meaning of array? Array have horizontal rows and vertical columns. Okay, array formed from rows and columns. This is called row. This is called what? Row. Row go from left to right. Row go from left to right. And the columns from up to down. From up to down. We have horizontal rows and vertical columns. This is called row, and row from left to right. Row go from what to what? From left to right. And the columns go from up to down. Up to down. So in here, number of rows. How many rows from left to right? 1, 2. So we write in here 2. Number of columns. How many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 in here. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So how many rows of what? We say 2 rows, and each row formed from how many stars? 1, 2, 3. Super. So we write 2 rows of 3 stars. 1, 2, 3 in each row. Or we can say, how many columns do we have? We have 3 columns of how many stars? 1, 2. Each column formed from 2 stars. So we write in here 2. So in here we have 2 rows of 3 stars or 3 columns of 2 stars. Okay, in here complete. Number of rows. How many rows we have? We say row from the left to the right. 1, 2. Super. So we will write in here 2. Number of apples in each row. How many apples in each row? We have in the first row 1, 2, 3, and in the second row 1, 2, 3. So we write 3 apples in each row. Total number of apples, 3 in the first row plus 3 in the second row equal what? Super 6. So total number of apples equals 6. Number 2, number of rows. How many rows from the left to the right? Super, 3 rows. So we write in here 3. Number of cupcakes in each row. How many cupcakes in each row? In the first row we have 4 cupcakes. In the second row we have 4 cupcakes, and so on. So we write 4 in each row. Total number of cupcakes. How many total numbers we have? We have 4 in the first row, and 4 in the second row, and 4 in the third row. 4 plus 4 plus 4, super, equal 12 cupcakes. Okay, number 3, number of rows. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. We have 5 rows from the left to the right. Number of biscuits in each row. How many biscuits in each row? 1, 2, 3. So we write 3. So total number of biscuits. We have 5 rows and each one 3 biscuits. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 5 times. 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 3 equals 9, plus 3 equals 12, plus 3, super, equal 15. So, total of biscuits equal 15. In here, number 4, number of rows. How many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. From the left to the right. So, we write 4. You understand what's the meaning of row? Okay. Number of units in each row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. So total number of units, we have 4 rows, and each row we have 4 units. So we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 times. 4 plus 4 equal 8, 4 plus 4 equal 8, 8 plus 8, super, equal 16. Okay, in here, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4 from the left to the right. So we will write 4. Number of cupcakes in each row. How many cupcakes do we have in the first row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super, 6. Total number of cupcakes, we have 6 in each row, and we have 4 rows. So we have 6 plus 6, 12. And 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 12, who can say? Yes, well done. Equal 24. Okay, in here, number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5. Okay, number of mango in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mango in each row. Total number of mangoes. Okay, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5 times. So we will get to 20. Is this easy? How to find the total number about rows? I hope all of you understand it well. Okay, in here we will find the total number, but about columns. At first, number of columns. We say column go from up to down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5 columns. Number of stars in each column. How many stars in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Super. 4 stars in each column. So total number of stars. We have 4 stars in each column, and we have 5 columns. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 5 times. 5 columns. 4 by 5. We will learn it equal 20. Or you can count. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is this easy? Okay, who can solve with me number 2? Number of columns. How many columns from up to down? Excellent. 2 columns. Number of stars in each column. How many stars in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Super. 5. And in here 5. So the total number 5 plus 5, because we have 2 columns. Super. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Is this easy? Okay, number 3. Number of columns. How many columns do we have from up to down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super. So we will write 6. Number of stars in each column. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3. Total number of stars. We have 3 stars in each column, and we have 6. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 6 times. Equal what? Super. 18. And if you know timetable, you'll say 3 multiply 6 equal 18. But now you can count, okay? Okay. In here, number of columns. How many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4. Number of stars in each column. How many stars in each column? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Super. So we will write 7 stars in each column. Total number of stars. We have how many stars in this array? We have 7 stars, and we have 4 columns. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, 4 times. 7 plus 7 equal 14. And 7 plus 7, super 14. 14 plus 14 equal what to find the total? 4 plus 4 equal super 8. 1 plus 1 equal 2. So the total number will be 28. Okay? Again, number of columns. How many columns from up to down? 1, 2. So we will write in here 2. Number of stars in each column. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 in each column. Total number of stars. 3 in the first column and 3 in the second column. 3 plus 3 equal what? Yeah, who can say? Super. Equal 6. Okay, number of columns. Columns go from up to down, but row from left to right. So in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write in here 6. Number of stars in each column. How many stars in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 stars in each column and we have 6 columns. So 6 by 6, it will be 36, and you can count. Is this easy? Okay, in here, create an array. We will make array. 2 rows of 3 columns. How we can make it? Focus with me. We will make 2 rows at first. 1, 2, because we want 2 rows. And we know row from left to right. Okay, 1, 2. 2 rows. Of what? Of 3. I want 3 columns. This number 1, I will make another 2. This number 2 and this number 3. So now we make 2 row, 1, 2 from left to right of 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. You understand it well? Again, if you can't. In here, I wanted to make 4 rows of 2. 4 rows from left to right like it. So we make 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I make 4 rows of what? Of 2. I want to do 2 columns. I make 1 column. So I will make another 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I make 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of what? Of 2. 1, 2. Do you understand it well? It's very easy. Okay, who can draw it? 1 column of 2. Just 1 column from up to down. Okay, of what? Of 2 row. I make the first row, so I will make another row. So now I make 1 column of 2 row. 1 by 2 equal to. Is this easy? Do you understand it well? Okay, thank you for listening and goodbye.